Hello, good afternoon everyone. This is a PowerPoint presentation that how to file online service tax return. So in this PowerPoint presentation, there are few slides by which it is displayed the total online procedure that user how to file online service tax return from anywhere. So let's see the slides to get the online procedure with guidelines. So this is the website link, that is www.aces.gov.in. You have to first go to this site to file online service tax return, and after that you have to click on the service tax button to file online service tax. So this is the page where user have to put his username and password, and after that click on login option. After that user have to click on RET e-filing and then select on fill ST3 option. Select on fill ST3. If anyone first time get the service tax return, then he or she has to select the fill ST3 option, and if it is for revise purpose, then has to select revise ST3 option. After that, this form will be appear on your computer screen where user has to fill the data, like select the financial year at first for the year for which the service tax has been returned, and then select the return period just beside the box, and after filling all the details have to click on next button, which will be available on the bottom of the page. So here taxable service will show up on the first row, and after that if abatement claimed, then put the notification number, then click yes if abatement claimed, and click no if any abatement not claimed. After that, here in this page put gross bills amount in monthly basis. Very carefully this portion has to be filled. And then after that put amount charged as abatement accordingly. As first, amount charged as pure agent, amount claimed as abatement, any other amount claimed as deduction. So every relevant documents will be filled up in here. After adjusting, the abatement gross value will shown in the top of the page. So here you have to put rate of service tax, and after that put gross bill amount after abatement. Service tax liability amount will shown automatically in the below options. Go to the next page. That is, if service tax paid in advance, then you have to mention here that the tax has been already paid. Challan number, put the 7-digit BSR code plus date of challan, and along with that don't forget to put the CIN number, and after that click on add option. Here you have to put the service tax paid amount as per the challan details. Put input tax credit amount here on which credit availed. Put education cess paid as per challan basis. Put edu cess amount on which credit availed. Interest and penalty amount please mention here if it is applicable, and then after clicking all the options you have to click on the next button to go to the next procedure. Here enter month-wise challan details with amount and in 7-digit BSR code plus date plus CIN basis. Then if you have more than one challan, have to click on add button. Then click here to go to the next page. Put interest or penalty amount challan wise and also month wise. Then click on the next page. Here put opening balance of input credit, and after credit taken on input on service tax as on month basis, you have to put credit utilized on payment of service tax. Then put OP bill balance of edu cess, credit taken on input on edu cess, and after that credit utilized on edu cess for payment of service tax. Put tick mark of all the boxes, that is self-assessment memorandum, and then type assessee name and place, and after that click on preview before submit to see all the relevant data which you have filled. Print preview of service tax form ST3 will be available here. Check topography before submit and take a printout or save a draft copy for your further reference. After printout, submit option will be available for submit that ST3. So here, after clicking all the informations above, click on submit button to submit all that data. Here after submit, this kind of acknowledgement will be generated. This is the acknowledgement received. So it is the total procedure to do the service tax return through online. If you have any kind of queries regarding this kind of topics or any relevant topics, please refer to our website, that is www.helpmybiz.in, your efficient tax partner. Thank you.